y'all. So as y'all can see, I'm looking mad crazy right now. But for this video, I'm going to be showing you guys some edge control that just fell, a water bottle, some bobby pins that just fell, a rack tooth comb to smooth my edges with, and then I have some of this Impro style argan oil gel, and I'm only using this gel because it's old and it's really sticky, and so it'll suit my edges for sure. So getting right into this, I just began spraying water on my hair. I had a slick back prior to this video, so my hair is kind of drenched already, but I sprayed plenty of more water as the video goes on. But basically, you're going to separate your hair by just pulling it apart so that you can get the maximum volume, because you are definitely spraying a lot of water to get the moisture back into your hair. So you will need your hair to be at its maximum volume when it is time to do the bun. Just trust me, y'all. Pull your hair apart, get it voluminous, make sure it's moisturized, all in this one little step process. So guys, if your hair is thick like mine, a tip to having a smoother bun is to basically take a rack tooth comb or a comb with small teeth and begin basically just smoothing your hair out. You want to make sure you put some water down before you just start smoothing your roots, and it'll definitely give you a smoother look. What works for me is pulling all of my hair from the back first and then working my way up to the front, as you guys can see that I did in this clip. And you also want to make sure that everything's smooth like you want it to be, because once you do this ponytail, it's going to be pretty tight. You're not going to want to take it down. So the first loop is kind of like high puff action, but then I loop it around a second time, and then on that second loop, that is the part where I tuck the very, very front of my hair underneath the hair tie, just like that. And you want to make sure that you pull enough through so that you have enough hair to look like your bun is actually big and not small. You know what I'm saying? I'm using some bobby pins or just using your hair depending on the length of it. You can either just wrap your hair around the base of the ponytail, or you can take bobby pins and just stick them exactly where you want them to be. Now when it comes to my buns, I do leave a few curly pieces out because my hair is curly and it's not going to be perfect and lay smooth as a bun would if my hair was straight. So when it gets to like my satisfaction of being tucked and pulled around, then I'll go ahead and take that same rack tooth comb and smooth out my edges and begin slicking them. Alright y'all, so this is the end of my little bun tutorial.